Hare Krishna, a hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devi Dasi with a wonderful recipe. Today we will make instant wheat bread. We will not be using any yeast and all-purpose flour in this bread. So let's begin quickly. First, in a mixing bowl, take 3 cups of wheat flour. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. Let's mix all these dry ingredients well. Instead of wheat flour, if you want, you can also use maida or all-purpose flour. It has been mixed well. Here I am going to add buttermilk. I have used 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd and 2 cups of water to make the buttermilk. Let's knead the dough well. Since we are not using any yeast, we can offer to lard as well. We will add buttermilk part by part, not all at once. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Let's add the remaining buttermilk and knead it into a sticky dough. So altogether, I used 2 cups of buttermilk for a sticky dough like this. For more videos, search for Krishna's Cuisine in YouTube and scroll down for all. Our dough is ready. Now let's add a teaspoon of ghee. Mix it very well once again. I am going to bake the bread in oven, but you can bake it on stove too. After mixing it, bake the bread immediately. I have taken this mold here and grease it with ghee or oil. Instead of this, you can use any shape of mold. It has been greased. Now transfer the dough into this mold. Let's spread it evenly. Now apply some ghee or oil This would give it a wonderful color. Here I am adding some sesame seed. You can also add chili flakes and oregano. This is completely optional. I had preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Place the mold in and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's check it once. You can see it has come out clear, so it has baked well. Now, let's apply some oil or ghee. Cover it using a wet cloth. This would keep our bread soft and moist. Keep it aside for 20 to 25 minutes. After 1 hour, the bread has cooled. Using a knife, scrape out its edges. Place the plate upside down. Flip it over. Tap it. You can see its texture. How wonderful it is, soft and perfectly baked. These cracks are the sign of a perfect bake. The edges too have pores. So our wheat bread is ready. Let's see how has it come from in. It has so many pores, spongy and moist. You can see its amazing texture. Since we are making bread without yeast, there is definitely going to be some difference in the texture of the bread. Our healthy and fresh breads are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Krishna. Our instant wheat bread without yeast has been offered and ready. For more Bhoga offerings recipes, stay connected to Krishna's cuisine. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare